underarm turn. We have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We can also do a basic before. So quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now, side together, side and turn, quick, quick, slow. The men's feet is the side together, side, and then turn the leg. So we have side together, side, and let go of the hand so that we can turn the leg. Quick, quick, slow. It's a quick turn. In the first level, we did the slow turn. The lady walks around. This time it's much quicker. So I want you to take a look. Again, in the men's part, we have side together, side, back, we place, side. And now the lady. This is where you really have to take a look at the lady's feet because that's new. We have side together, side, and she step, and turn, and side. One more time. We have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And we're going to combine that with the basics so that you know how to use it. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and basic. Quick, quick, slow, 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 and quick, quick, slow. Okay, let's take a quick look at the main step. We're going to use double hand hold, basic, side, together, forward, side, together, side. So lower the hand so that you know and start moving the hand also early. And now turn the leg and step forward, slightly across. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. One more, quick, and raise the arm, turn the lady, quick, quick, slow. Make sure guys when you go back, you don't take a big step back, that's too big. Take a very small step back and return right away. If you take a big step, you're going to have to reach too far. So, small step, quick, quick, and slow. And the ladies, we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, and turn, quick, quick, slow. Beautiful. And one more time, taking a quick look at the lady's feet. And we have back step, side together, side, forward and across, forward and across, forward and across. Raise the arm for the lady to turn. Look at how she turns, and done. Outside button. Quick, quick, slow, 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 and quick, quick, slow. Take a look at the men's feet. Side, together, forward, side, together, side. See, we start turning a little bit and step forward, very small step. Forward, return, side. Forward, return, side. Forward, return, and raise the arm for the underarm turn, finish. One thing quickly on the forward step. See how I step forward. My foot is directly in front of kind of the same lane as her foot. Make sure you don't go fast. Keep it small, small. See? Make sure you see the leg. If I go all the way here, I can barely see the leg. So stay in front of her and look at the leg. Quick. And finish. We have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and on the upturn, and basically, take a look again at the feet. We're gonna do double hand hold so that you can see the feet better. Back step, and side together, side. We both step outside, see? And raise the arm for the turn, and finish. Next step is the fifth position, break. Quick, quick, slow, 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 and quick, quick, slow. The men's feet for this step. Here we have the box step, side together, forward, side together, side. On the side step, you want to start turning the body a little bit. And now you step back and turn. See? And in place, back step, now with the arm, turn the lady, and pick up the lady. We're going to do that again one more time. Quick attention to the feet. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Turning. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. And now the ladies. Ladies feet position. We have the box step. Side. Actually, I want to face the camera. Let's see. Yes. Side together, forward. Side together, back. And now we're going to turn. And forward. And back. Turning for the lady. And finishing. There is one little technique for this step. So we have side together, forward, side together, side. Here is where we turn. This is beautiful. And transfer weight. As you transfer weight, make sure you move the hand forward. So that when you step back, the hand is already there. See? Move the hand. Move the hand. So important. And finishing. So let's do it quickly. It's going to be only 3 times the way we show that. So we have and quick, quick, slow. 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 And quick, quick, slow. That's one of my favorite steps. The forward and backward hesitation. So let's go over the steps. So we have the back step, side together, forward. This is where it changed now. I step forward and transfer weight, I step forward, transfer weight. And now the back step going to my right foot, side, together, back. And now I'm going to go back on my left foot and back, transfer weight forward, transfer weight back, transfer weight, and back step again, finishing. One more time, we have quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. And now the back step, backward, quick, slow, and finishing. And now the ladies is a natural opposite, so you can take a look at the ladies' feet. So we have quick, slow. When I step back, she step forward. When I step forward, she step back. And now, back step, forward for the lady.